Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to my channel Unique Astro. I am Saroj Kumar Samar, and today in this video I am going to tell you all about fourth house in astrology, especially Vedic astrology. So let's begin. What is fourth house? The another name of this house is Bandhu Bhav or Matri Bhav, house of your mother or house of your relatives. What is fourth house? Fourth house is your home, and whoever is present in your home is comes under fourth house. Maybe at times when you are checking your fourth house, there is one relative who came from outside and who is staying in your fourth house. Even he will come in part of the fourth house. So what else? Your house, your property, your land, agricultural land, maternal uncle, sister, son, relatives who is staying in your house, friends who is staying in your house, mother, cattle wealth, bikes, car, whatever is present in your home and is able to give you comfort. Everything comes under your fourth house. All the dress materials, your garments, jewelry, happiness that you derive, and state protection, the feeling of protection, feeling of being protected. It comes under fourth house, and this protection is part of fourth house. Politics, the support of the public, it comes under fourth house. Fourth house is outcome of your hard work, of your profession. If your fourth profession is balanced, your fourth house will be balanced. Fourth house constitutes everything and everyone that stays in one roof, single roof. If there is some kind of problem in your home, like you need help of a plumber to repair your home, that will also come under part of your fourth house. The plumber is not your servant, he is just giving you service out of contract. So contractual obligations also come under fourth house. Fourth house is conveyance that becomes part of your life. Fourth house is your home, house, buildings that you own. Fourth house is also shelters. Fourth house is sea coasts. Fourth house is even agricultural products, and especially those crops that is standing in your field. You have not harvested that crops yet, but it is standing in your field. That part of those crops will also come under your fourth house. Seafood. If you have a pond and there are lots of fishes are there present in that pond, it will come under your fourth house. You have not yet taken all those fish out of that pond. When you will take that fish out of that pond, it will become part of your second house, dhan. But till it is there in that pond, it is part of your fourth house. Fourth house is your home and garden. Fourth house is roads, transportation, local roads, and infrastructure that is at your exposure. That is uh, just to help you live your life properly. If you want to go from your home to Delhi, if you are not in Delhi, then those all is infrastructures that is at your exposure, so that you can reach from your home to Delhi properly or and safely, that will become part of your fourth house. Fourth house is the roofing of your home and all the borders of your home. Like you have put wall just to show that these are the areas where your land exists. Those all areas come under part of your fourth house. Fourth house is ancient customs, that is not just part of your family, that is part of your society. Those customs that is part of your society also comes under fourth house. uh, Fourth house even speaks about your social religion, not about just what you believe. Like in Hinduism, there are so many sects and other things, but you are Hindu. That becomes part of your fourth house. In ninth house, it tells about us about what actually we follow or our family tradition follow. But fourth house talks about what your society follows. Fourth house is social opinion about you. That opinion that generally society or your society makes about you. Fourth house is a common public support for you. So if you want to be in politics, you must check if your fourth house and second house is good or not. Second house is your family heritage and bloodline. And again, second house speaks about your own legacy that you have created for your own self. And fourth house tells us about how strong is our legacy. The legacy that we have built, how strong is that? If our family members supporting for us or our society, local society is supporting for us, this was public support that you gain is also seen from fourth house. Fourth house is your development, sustainable development, development that you can sustain or whatever money you have built, how much that money is getting useful for you or getting used for you is can be checked from your fourth house. If you are getting development in your life or not, if you are developing or not, that also comes part of your fourth house. See, in fourth house, your mother will also come, your father will also come, your wife will also come. Everyone who is staying in your fourth house at that time of moment, when you are checking your fourth house or when you are trying to analyze your home or fourth house, everyone who is staying in your home or house in one same roof, under same roof, will come under your fourth house. And fourth house is your ethnicity. Fourth house is the kind of security that is available for you. Fourth house is your vehicles, is your home, is your real estate, landed properties. Fourth house is even your schools, schooling, and up to the education, education up to your 12th standard also comes under part of your fourth house. Till the time you are in under part of your fourth house or under the influence of your fourth house, you are actually under someone else supervision, like your parents supervising you. But after you complete your education of the part of fourth house part of education, you goes into the part of fifth house kind of things, and then you will have to start using your own brain. You are on to your own. So till you are having education or protection of fourth house is protection. Till you are having the goodwill of fourth house, you are protected. But when you are having benefits of fifth house, and when you are trying to seek benefits of fifth house, you will have to check for your own protection. You will have to check if you are secured or not. Fourth house is your degree up to diploma. Fourth house is licenses or purchasal of your land, everything that uh, is increasing your property is fourth house. Fourth house is examinations, passing of examinations, where someone else is giving guidance to you on when everyone is caring about what you are doing, how you are doing studies. Those all part of the guidance or security that is being provided to you is part of your fourth house. Fourth house is your country, your national society, or your state wise consensus of your society is fourth house. Fourth house is also your civilizations, burials or ruins of your civilizations. Fourth house is archaeology. Even if someone is interested in archaeological work, we must check if their 10th house lord is related to fourth house or not. Fourth house is archaeology. As I already told, fourth house is even public support. And again, what else is fourth house? Fourth house is your shield, shield that is being provided to you, some goodwill or good gesture that is being provided to you, that has been uh, people has such kind of opinion about you. That shield, that opinion about you in people's mind, that is providing security to you or providing shield to you. Just like he stays in this home, it means this home is good and we cannot go and harm that person. That kind of shield. See, this is just an expression. I'm trying to give my expression about shield, the kind of shield that I am talking about. It is also part of your fourth house. See, fourth house is your all the property of which you are owner. Fourth house is vehicles. Fourth house is about your mother. From fourth house you can check what all kind of benefits are available for you. Fourth house is when the, yeah, all the properties that is available to you is part of fourth house. Fourth house is your language, popularly spoken. So you may speak so many languages, but the language that is spoken in your country, like for India, Hindi is our language. Language of India is Hindi. So such kind of language is again part of fourth house. See, in our home we may speak some like local language or something that is spoken just in our home. That is part of your second house. But when we talk about the part of fourth house, language part of fourth, means what kind of language is spoken or can be denoted from fourth house, that is language that is spoken in your country. That is all the symbols that signifies your country or that signifies your home is part of your fourth house. Like if I have a business and there is some logo that signify my business, that is fourth house. Like I have this channel, and then what is the name of this channel? It is Unique Astro. That signify my kind of the videos that I am making, and that it says that I am owner of that channel. And what, and if I will tell two people about my channel, then what I will say? I will say go and watch my videos on Unique Astro. That Unique Astro, what logo or some kind of things that will signify my business or my home, or all the symbols. Like for India we say peacock is our national bird, right? Tiger is our national animal. Those all kind of symbols are part of your fourth house. Fourth house is something that binds you with your family member. Why someone is your relatives or is your kin and kith? Because they are part of your fourth house, they are part of your home. Whatever happens in fourth house affects everyone. If you are under a roof, if your roof is getting falling down, and so many people, they may not be related to you at that point of time, but they are getting affected just because they are part of your fourth house. So fourth house binds you with your relatives and family members. Fourth house is even keeping hold of you, or keeping you captive, or or providing your security. So fourth house is a kind of thing that tells us about how we are secured, what kind of comforts we are getting, what kind of things that we own, and what is my potential, how much support we are getting from our society, how society is supporting us, how is our country influencing us, and again how is our uh, society or social support is helping us or giving security to us. If you are part of a society or a group or a sect, then what they are doing to you, directly or indirectly, they are giving support to you. Like I am a Hindu, Hinduism is my religion. I am just because I am part of that society, directly or indirectly I am getting some kind of security from them. That part of security that is being provided to you is also part of fourth house. Your group, not small group, large group. If you are part of a large group, large sector of society, that is denoting your fourth house. So this was all about fourth house in brief. I hope you understood the point that I was trying to make. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share it to your friends. Thank you.